When you're reaching out to large number of prospects, it is important to keep track of each and every prospect so that you don't miss out on any important opportunity. But managing all those prospects is not an easy task. That is why we are here with Prospect Filter and Save View. With Prospect Filter and Save View, you can easily manage all of your list from just one tab. So let's see how you can do it. So I'm inside Sales Handy's dashboard and I'll simply go to Prospects tab from here. Here you can see Excel-like flexibility where you can expand the columns as per your requirement. You can choose to see the data as per the order you like. You can also change the columns from here and customize them as per your requirement. You can change the order of the column. You can select the columns that you want and you can remove the columns that you don't want and then just hit the save key. With this, you can completely customize this table as per your requirement. Apart from this, you can also see the data as per your requirement. Go to filter button from here and select the field with which you want to filter the data. I'll choose the emails from here, contains and Sales Handy. Now I'll hit the apply button. You can see all the emails that are containing Sales Handy are appearing now. Apart from this, if you go back to filter again, you can also save this filter as a view so that in future if you want to revisit this filter, you can easily do it without creating the filter again. Name the filter anything that you want. This is basically a cohort creation. And you can choose to share it with anyone. Like if you want to open it for everyone, you can do that. If you want to keep private from here, you can do that. And if you want to share it just with your team, you can also choose that. And then just hit the save button. Now if you go here, you can see the filter that I just created. I can select it from here and again, the filter data will appear. You can also filter data by adding groups. Just click on add group here, fill in the information and you can choose and or also from here. And then just hit the apply button. Bulk select all the prospects from here and you can directly add them to sequence from here. You can add or remove tags. You can verify the email addresses of all the prospects, unsubscribe them or delete them from here. So this is how you can smartly manage a huge prospect list in just a few clicks. Try it now and let us know how it worked out for you. Thanks for watching.